Welcome everybody to a brand new video where we're making a start on this. It's an old Vauxhall Corsa, but it's got a 2-litre turbo engine in it. I bet this thing goes like stink. Can't wait to get it finished, give it a smash up the road. So Dream Car Giveaways own this Corsa, and before they put it on their competition site, they always like someone to go through them front to back and make sure they're absolutely mint. So that's my job today, and they've given me a big list to get stuck into. So on the top of the car, we've got stuff like the bumper's got stone chips in, the bonnet, the wings. Somebody's done the normal thing, jacking the car up on the sill trim instead of on the sill, and that's crushed that. And also we've got this bonnet. Yeah, I think that was a bit of an afterthought. It's just been bonded on. It's obviously been bare metal because it's starting to rust, which is no good. In the engine bay, which I'll open, it looks a mess. We got wire and loom coming over the top of the strut, and when the car's running, if you lift this loom up, it revs up. But when you let it go, the tick over drops. You can smell it's over fueling, so we've got a loose connection or a wiring problem there. So that's only a couple of jobs we got on top of the car, but underneath is where 90% of our work's needed. We need to underseal it, scrape off all the rubbish underneath. It needs a new exhaust, brake pipes. It's not rotten, but there's a lot of surface corrosion which we've got to get rid of. And that's what this video is about today. I've bought a new tool which allows us to bolt it to the car and roll the car over on its side, gives us easier access to work on everything rather than working on a ramp where your arms are like over the ramp and you just can't get to nothing. So let's unpack our tool and get cracking. Let's go. So there we go. It don't look like much, does it? I paid £475 off eBay for this. It didn't come with any instructions, so I'd just been on their website, and actually it's cheaper on their website, 350 plus the VAT, so 420 quid. So yeah, if this works, definitely worth going on to their website and buying it through that. It's not a promotional video, so we shall see if I roll it over and it carries on going over and crushes the roof on the car. It's a definite no for buying one of these, but we shall see. So instructions on the website say drain the fluids or have them really low, take out the battery, and when you do flip over the car, make sure the fuel filler is facing upwards, so then all the fuel don't pee out everywhere. So let's bolt this up to the car. I'm taking it, that just bolts onto the wheel, and then you let the car down and it kind of rolls over like that. And then I did see a picture on the website of an axle stand being under this bit of the ladder, and that just holds it upright. So it's a bit scary pushing this over, but yeah, let's give it a go. So now's the moment of truth. Is it going to work? I looked on the website and it says tyre strap around the wheels and just lift it up with an engine crane. There is some tool you can get with like a threaded bar. That's another 400 quid. So we're going to try and do it with our engine hoist. I've taken the bonnet and bumper off just to be able to prep it while it's up on its side if I've got 5 minutes spare. But yeah, I think because if I lean back on this, it does pivot. So fingers crossed. Yeah, let's give it a go. Well, that was quite surprising. Literally no effort at all. Pumping that engine hoist up. It just tipped over nicely, and then I've got the axle stands in. Yeah, and it feels solid. It's a nice area now. I can wire wheel the whole floor, get all that crud off, give it a coat of paint. You can see now where somebody's jacked it up wrong and the paint's flicking off. I expect they haven't prepped that seal cover well and just the paint's not stuck too. But ideal. So that's it for this video. I was just excited about getting this rollover jig and it works. I mean, I forgot to empty the washer fluid and there's no fluids peeing out all over the floor either. Yeah, job's a good one. If you want to buy one of these, I'll put his website around here somewhere. It's CJ Autos. Ideal for your garden, this is, if you've got a hoist. Brilliant. So, yeah, that's it. And I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da.